In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to quickly mark a message as important in Microsoft Teams. If you want to make sure a message stands out in a busy conversation, Microsoft Teams gives you a simple way to flag it as important before you send it. This is useful when you need someone to notice your message quickly, especially in active chats where regular messages can be easy to miss. To begin, open Microsoft Teams and go to Chat. This is where you can access your direct messages and ongoing conversations. Once you're in the right chat, click into the message box and type the message you want to send. At this stage, just write your message as you normally would. You can keep it short and clear, especially since important messages are usually meant to grab attention fast. After your message is ready, look toward the lower right area of the message composer and click the plus icon. This opens up more options related to your message. If you don't often use the extra tools in Teams, don't worry, this is where several message settings are tucked away. From the options that appear, click Set Delivery Options. This is the setting that lets you control how your message is labeled before it goes out. It's a quick feature, but it can make a big difference in how your message is received. Next, choose Important. Once you select this option, Teams will mark your message so it appears with extra emphasis for the recipient. This helps signal that the message deserves prompt attention. It's a good idea to use this feature thoughtfully so that when you do mark something as important, it really carries meaning. With that done, all that's left is to hit send. Your message will now be delivered as an important message in the chat. That's all there is to it. As a quick recap, you go to chat, type your message, click the plus icon, open Set Delivery Options, choose Important, and then send it. It only takes a few seconds, and once you've done it once, it becomes very easy to repeat whenever needed. Using delivery options like this can help improve communication and reduce the chance that urgent updates get overlooked. If you regularly work in Teams, this is one of those small features that can save time and help your messages stand out when it matters most.